Drone photography is essential right now in the land business. We have learned over time what type of questions need to be initially answered by a developer, and we do that homework up front. It also sets us apart from other brokerage, whereas we give a very comprehensive land package to a potential buyer, and they can then effectively make some quick decisions whether or not they want to pursue that tract of land or not. The difference between what National Land offers and traditional brokers offers. You go on Zillow or Redfin or Crexi and you just see photos. And most of the time those photos are ground level, maybe a few drone photos. But what we do is a much more comprehensive overall picture of that property. National Land actually developed a proprietary software called Land Tour 360. And what that is, it's an aerial photography and video collaboration that's stitched together that allows us to then have this visual online through the listing where a buyer can almost tour the property completely virtual, looking at different points of interest, different videos and different shots without actually having to come on site themselves. Because we may have buyers in California, New York, Texas, or Florida, but they can actually tour the property virtually through our Land Tour 360 software, and all that happens through our drones. National Land is not only the largest land brokerage company in the United States, they're also a technology company. So they have created a framework and they've hired the right people, engineers, software developers to piece together what has never existed before. So they've now completely built this proprietary software that sets us apart from traditional brokerage.